In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and connect a bank account in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential task for anyone looking to manage their financial transactions efficiently within QuickBooks. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to visit the QuickBooks website. You can do this by performing a simple Google search for QuickBooks Online, or you can directly type in the URL if you have it handy. This will take you to the QuickBooks homepage where you'll see all the options available. Now, once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button. It is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Give it a click and you'll be prompted to log into your account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials, which usually consist of your email address and a unique password. It's important to ensure these details are kept secure, so avoid using easily guessable passwords. Once you're logged in, you should see your QuickBooks dashboard. Now, direct your attention toward the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find an option labeled Bank Transactions. Click on this and it will bring you to the page where all your connected bank transactions are displayed. On this new page, look for the Connect Account button, and when you find it, click on it to initiate the process for linking a new bank account. You'll see a list of popular banks that QuickBooks can connect to. If you can't find your specific bank listed, there's no need to worry. There's a search bar where you can type in the name of your bank to find it quickly. After you've located your chosen bank, click on it. This action will prompt another window where you have to enter your online banking details. This typically includes your bank username and password, which you use to access your bank account online. Ensure you have this information on hand before starting this process to make it smoother and quicker. Once you've entered your banking details correctly, hit the Continue button. QuickBooks will take a moment to securely connect to your bank. It may take a few seconds, so be patient. Once the connection is established, QuickBooks will pull in your bank transactions directly into the platform. With your bank account now successfully connected, you can easily manage your financial data within QuickBooks. All future transactions and statements will sync, keeping everything up to date automatically. This streamlines your accounting processes and allows for accurate financial tracking. And there you have it. You've connected your bank account to QuickBooks Online. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and happy bookkeeping.